Okay, let me just show you how easy it is to use this editor. I'm not going to go into any detail. There are loads of videos available showing exactly all the features of every single part. This is just an overview. So this is my headline, heading centered. These blue buttons are clickable. The grey ones are draggable. I'll show you that in a second. But that's an element. It could be a text element or an image element or video element or whatever you want. And we can, within the element, we have a container, and the container can have different properties. So we can, for example, let's put in a background. That's nice. So then we can increase the space at the top, and we can increase the space at the bottom, and then we can start editing this element. Well, we can do whatever we want. Let's make it white. Let's make it permanent marker. Let's make the background. Let's make it a shade of blue. Boom, boom, boom. And we'll make it, we'll give a blue border, and this is a draggable. I've set the border to blue. I can now click and drag the border size, and I can click and drag the radius of the corners. It's dashed here because it's showing me what I'm editing. Obviously, if I set it to solid, then that's what it would stay at, although I can actually change the style if I want to. That's cool. Let's make some spacing. In fact, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's make the middle white, and we'll make the text black. No, let's make the text orange, and then we'll add a shadow because we can. And then we can change the font size. Boom, boom, boom. I can rotate it. I can change the size of it. Just go, go crazy really. And then, so this element is in blue here, this element, which is within a container, and I can add more and more elements within that container as I want. So a new sentence, center it, make it white, make it white. And so on. Now so these are elements, multiple elements in a container. I can edit the container at any point by just clicking on this pink one here. It pops up in every element, and then I can do stuff to the container that I can also do to each individual element. So I could, I don't know what I want to do. Rotate the whole thing if I want. No idea why you want to do that, but hey, you could. And then I can add more containers. So within this container now, it can have separate properties. So this could be my wonderful text, and the container can then have different properties. So I could, for example, let's go for a shade of blue and fill it, and then I could, let's just center, oops, excuse me, center the text. And then if I want to, rather than manipulate the container, I can manipulate the element itself. So I can change the settings here. I can drag these elements up and down, or I can affect the container as a whole. The choice is yours, but that's it really. I mean, it's just, everything is just so incredibly easy. What else can I show you? Nothing really. As you can see, you just go crazy really. What you can do, you can add in headings, subheadings, text, images, buttons, lists, mail forms. These are opt-in forms that integrate directly with MailChimp. Videos, custom code. If you've got third-party services, you can put custom code in. Payment form, which integrates with PayPal and Stripe. There you go. And then exactly the same. And change the text. And I can add in as many things as I want. So another item to sell. Simple as that. Really very, very easy. Anyway, that's it. I think we'll stop there. Yeah, try it out. It's here to try. So give it a go, give it a whirl. You can try it for free. Sorry, excuse the popping up stuff. Try it for free, and yeah, let me know what you think. Oh, by the way, click on that icon. just to prove it looks exactly the same. That's it live. That's his editing. Absolutely identical. Okay, thank you very much. Let me know, sign in, enjoy.